so it'd have to come around under there, like so.
Yeah, and you're gonna go underneath here, underneath the hood, like this direct panel right here, or you're gonna run it down?
Yeah, it'll go under the hood and then back towards the hinge and then tied to one of the lights.
Okay, yeah, that's cool. You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. JATV. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, man, JamesAtkinsTV. Thanks in advance for tapping in today's vlog. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. The time has finally arrived. What is that for? Me to go ahead and get this AVS Bug Deflector painted and mounted up. So this is gonna be a two-part video that I'm just gonna do some really fancy editing, and it's gonna look like it's all one video. But I need to get something out of the way first. If you are in the Atlanta, Georgia area, you own a truck, and you know where I can get 4 scan done to my F150, please, please, please drop a comment down below. Listen, I know I can go off and buy it, but I don't want to go off and spend 300 bucks for something that I'm only going to use one time. So I want to get 4 scan done as a service. So if you know where I can get the 4 scan changes done to my truck as a service at, please, please, please drop a comment down below. Anyway, this video is going to be about this AVS Bug Deflector. I'm going to get this in my car, take it up to Monster Customs, let them paint it, and come back and get it mounted up. All right, guys? So let's get this video on the way. All right, guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are pulling up at the Monster Customs here. As you can see, I'm in my Chrysler. I have the Bug Deflector loaded into the car. I'm going to take this on the inside. This portion of the video is not going to be very long. I'm going to drop this off, get everything situated and set up with these folks, and then come back on Friday and you will see the final paint finish on it and everything. You've already seen this Bug Deflector before. If you've not seen this Bug Deflector already, go back to, I don't know, what, 3 or 4 videos and click on the AVS Lightshield Bug Deflector and you'll see what it looks like. All right, so they're gonna sand this down, get it smooth, paint it, and then when I bring this video back up, it should be completely painted. This is when you guys will actually see it painted, finished, and we'll get it mounted up on the truck. All right. All right, YouTube. So we're back here at Monster Customs. All right. We got the truck in the background. We're just going over all of the details right now. We're going to get the truck pulled around. My guy Alejandro is getting me checked in, checking in the truck. Want to go over with them the install again, because the instructions for the AVS Bug Deflector Light Shield, whatever the name is, they have instructions for you to like drill into the hood of the truck. We're not doing that. We're not doing it at all.
Yeah, so it'd have to come around under there, like so.
Yeah, and you're gonna go underneath here, underneath the hood, like this direct panel right here, or you're gonna run it down?
Yeah, it'll go under the hood and then back towards the hinge and then tied to one of the lights.
Okay, yeah, that's cool. Cause I was hoping to get it to be tapped into the daytime running light, cause I don't ever want to turn it off. As long as the daytime running light is on, I want that strip to be on.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. That's no problem.
Look at how well this came out, guys. Color match paint. Sheesh. It looks so much better than being black. And guys, we were just talking about these wheel liners. I gotta go ahead and get these ordered, guys. It's been sitting in my cart for a minute. Spike Lug still coming. Josh is still hooking me up.
Somewhat attractive, you know, so it's not just a wire sticking out.
Exactly. I had a couple subscribers that was asking me about how I was gonna run it down, and what we were just talking about, guys, is pretty much running it down, coming down the hinge to get to tap it into that DRL. That way I personally don't have to hit a switch or anything like that, because I always kind of want the light to be on. It's LED, so it shouldn't blow out. And also Lightshield, if I'm not mistaken, has a warranty on their lights as well. So if it ever goes out, they'll just ship you out another one. So, by the way guys, before I show you guys the end result of the lights, I am less than 150 subscribers away from 1,000 subs. If you are tuned into this video, man, go ahead and hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, man. We're growing steadily and rapidly, but the support is truly appreciated. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on those post notifications. You can find your way back to more JamesAtkinsTv content, man. Yes, sir. That looks good, man.
Yeah, definitely. If it was like a texture black, they wouldn't.
That texture black, nah, yeah, that's all I was saying. I had to get it painted, bro. I had to get it painted.
That's good.
That looks really good. Can you pop the hood? I wanted to show you guys how neat and how clean he put this in here, guys. I was watching while he was doing it. And isn't it right? Where is it? I can never get it on my left. It's always the right hand. Look how neat he did this, guys. How clean that is. Comes all the way down. Sheesh. Yeah, man, that's great. All right, guys. So the deed is done. The truck is completely finished. Got that trimmed up on the inside. So there's absolutely, I had a very slight rub at full lock, but got that knocked out. The bug deflector looks great, guys. It looks really good. Let's get a started up and you guys can see it again. Oh, sorry, gotta turn the truck all the way on. Put my foot in here. There we go. All right, so you can clearly see lights are on. Looks really good. Camera's not really picking up the way exactly how it looks, but it looks really good in person. It gives it that Raptor style look without actually changing out the front grille and having a Raptor grille. This is my personal choice. I personally wanted to go with the look of the truck without a aftermarket Raptor style grille, just because that's what I kind of wanted. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, if you're still tapped in, you're still tuning into this video, I truly appreciate you for making it this far. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think of the AVS Lightshield Bug Deflector. I got a color paint to match. Let me know what you think about the modification. Also, ladies and gentlemen, please hit that subscribe button. I look at my analytics and I see that you guys are, watching the videos, you're engaged, but you're not coming back because you're a subscriber. You're just coming back because you like the videos. So, that being said, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment down below, and you already know, man. Until next time, it's your boy, JamesAtkinsTv, and we out.